custom factory order a new vehicle today. Lock in pricing at the time of order.
Get the new Subaru Legacy with standard eyesight, standard 11.6-inch screen, standard LED headlights with automatic high beam, standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, available Harman Kardon stereo, Starlink safety and security, built-in Wi-Fi, driver-focused distraction mitigation, IIHS top safety pick, and more. Lease at the exclusive VIP price.
Plus, every vehicle comes with America's #1 VIP Plus program. At Grand Prix Subaru, we will satisfy you